couldn't climb the tower because the bottom 30 feet of ladder is missing, but what is this? Sure, it's just a storm shelter. Yep, storm shelter. But what I'm learning is the roads out here are either something people riding the Oregon Trail back in the day would go, ooh, I don't know about, or they're a nice, beautiful, curvy road through the forest, or they're the longest, straightest gravel roads I've ever seen. And also, gray sky means you're fine. It will keep the sun off of you. Blue sky means we're going to rain on you, and who knows. And you can only trust about a third of the roads on the GPS. So I thought, oh, I'll just keep riding because it's going to spit just enough rain for me to have to keep my helmet closed. And it did, but then it rained harder, so now my gloves are wet, my pants are wet, and at least my feet are dry. And all that rain gear I put on for 5 miles and 2 spits of rain, and now blue sky and it rains on me. Whatever. I'm not at work, and I'm still having fun, and I didn't break my knee, and I climbed a fire tower with it, so that's fine. And there's wildflowers everywhere. Now you can probably see them. There's wildflowers everywhere up here. So I think I picked the right time of year to do this. As far as weather goes, this is, for a 700-mile day, this is nothing.